For this project I used double knit weight yarn in black, grey and brown. For this tutorial I've made this in the grey yarn. Crochet hooks 3mm and 2.5mm, fibre fill toy stuffing, the keychain fob, stitch markers optional, yarn needle and scissors. The approximate finished size is 1.5 by 2 inches. The list of the abbreviations I used is in the description. We'll start by making the hood, so round 1, using a 3mm hook in a magic ring, chain 1 and single crochet 6. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Don't slip stitch, continue around. Round 2, single crochet increase 6 times for a round total of 12 stitches. Round 3, single crochet 1, a single crochet increase 1, 6 times for a round total of 18 stitches. For rounds 4 to 11, single crochet 18 for a total of 8 rounds. Round 12, single crochet 1, a single crochet decrease 1, 6 times for a round total of 12 stitches. Insert the hook through the front loops only of the next 2 stitches, pull through a loop and work as a single crochet. Round 13, single crochet decrease 6 times. And slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to finish. Cut your yarn fast enough, sew the hole closed and sew any loose ends. Push one side into the other to make a sturdy hood shape. Body, round 1, using the 3mm hook in a magic ring, chain 1 and single crochet 5. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Don't slip stitch, continue around. Round 2, single crochet increase 5 times for a round total of 10 stitches. Round 3. Single crochet 1, single crochet increase 1 5 times for a round total of 15 stitches. For rounds 4 to 6, single crochet 15 for 3 rounds. Round 7. In the back loop only, single crochet 1, single crochet decrease 1 5 times for a round total of 10 stitches. Fill with toy stuffing. Round 8, single crochet decrease 5 times. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to finish. Cut your yarn and sew the hole closed. And sew the final stitch up through the top of the body to flatten the bottom. Round 9. Rejoin yarn in any front loop remaining from round 7. Chain 1, single crochet 3, chain 3, slip stitch 1 into the first chain and then slip stitch 1 into the same stitch. Single crochet 2, chain 4, slip stitch 1 into the first chain and then slip stitch 1 back into the same stitch. Repeat this pattern 2 more times. slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to finish. Cut yarn, fasten off and sew any loose ends. For the sleeves, make 2. Round 1 using a 3mm hook, in a magic ring, chain 1 and single crochet 4. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Don't slip stitch, continue around. Round 2, single crochet 4 for a round total of 4 stitches. Round 3, single crochet 1, single crochet increase 1 2 times for a round total of 6 stitches. Make sure to push the sleeve the right way round. Round 4, single crochet 1, single crochet increase 1 3 times for a round total of 9 stitches. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to finish. Cut your yarn, fasten off and sew any loose ends. For the scythe blade, use the 2.5mm hook and the grey yarn, chain 5. From the back loop of the second chain, single crochet 2, half double crochet 1, and double crochet 1. Fasten off, leaving long tails for sewing. For the scythe handle, using the 2.5mm hook and the brown yarn, chain 7. From the back loop of the second chain, slip stitch 6. Fasten off and sew your loose ends. Sew the scythe blade onto the handle. Sew the doll together. So sew the hood to the top of the body, sew the sleeves to the side of the body on rounds 2 to 3, approximately 5 stitches apart. Sew the scythe onto the hem of the right sleeve and sew all loose ends. Add a keychain fob to the top of the hood and you're done. Make another in black if you like. Okay, love you, bye.